grasshopper.
Broom, 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 broom.
Marco, listen first. You can play your cards later.
No, I want toys.
To the wise and the lazy grasshopper. Anya the ant worked hard gathering.
Teacher, look.
Okay, class, let's pause for 1 minute. Marco, I see you want me to do something with you. Do you want to help me to turn in the pages?
No, I want candy.
We don't have candy right now, but you can be my special pages helper. Do you want that job?
Just me?
Yes, just you, Marco. Marco is beside me. When I say your next page, you need to turn the pages. Okay, are you ready?
Yes, teacher.
The wise ant and the lazy grasshopper. The next page. Next page, Marco. Anya the ant worked hard gathering food during the warm summer, while Greg the grasshopper spent his time singing and playing his fiddle. Next page. Anya the ant worked hard gathering food during the warm summer. Next page. Shivering and stirring in the harsh winter weather, Greg finally realized a terrible mistake.
I turned it.
Good job, Marco. That's the end of our story. Okay, class, who was my helper today? Marco! Marco was a good helper today. You can pick first toys to play during our playtime.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay,